Hey, Dan here, and welcome to my blog. And this is under day trading. And no, I'm not a professional broker, and I'm not a professional trader. This is just my journey in day trading. And this week was really good. The fact that last week when I made that big haul on that one share, I went ahead and turned around and bought up a couple of shares this week, as well as within the same day, pretty much everything that I had put money in to, everything I locked in to buy, everything dropped where I wanted it to, and purchased it all back up again. So I was able to get 33 shares of the actual share that I had sold a couple months ago. I was able to buy up more of that because it had come down. And the big news in stock trading right now is Kodak, because they are going to get ready to launch their Kodak coin, which is under your cyber currency. So when I looked at the charts on Kodak, and for the last couple of months, it's been dropping. It dropped down, and then it bottomed out at like $3 a share. But within like a day or two after it bottomed out, it shot from $3 on up to close to $11 a share, because of their announcement that they were going to launch this Bitcoin, but they're going to call it the I guess the Kodak coin. So that was a big thing. I wish I had thought about Kodak a long time ago, because it just kept coming down, and it bottomed out at $3 a share. So next thing you know, it shot back up to almost 11. So you had a lot of happy campers who were involved in that. But it's also, it came back down, and I decided to go ahead and get in it. I bought a couple shares at 10.75, and then I bought again. What was that? That was actually today. That was actually today. I bought a couple more shares at 10.10, and I just looked at it, and it's back up to 9. It's back up to 9.40. Now supposedly they're going to actually launch the coin on the 1st of February, is the word I'm getting. So I'm not buying on the coin. In the cyber side, I'm actually buying in on the company. So history back when, Kodak used to be like a $40 a share company years ago. So it does have the history of $40 a share, as well as, it's been coming down over the years. But now with this quote quote Kodak coin coming out, this is what's bouncing their stocks right now. So I want to get in on it and see what happens. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to comment, and definitely subscribe. Click on the DC button on the video here, and we'll catch you on the next day trading.